Deroy Murdoch is with us this morning, and he is suing New York City's Federal Board of Elections because that Board of Elections allows foreigners to vote in local elections. What's your suit based on? The Constitution?
Yeah, well, it is of all things. This New York City local law would allow foreign citizens to vote in local elections. It was already knocked out based on the state constitution that says only New York State citizens can vote. So the state, from a state level, that's been knocked out. But there's still a federal challenge, which is that the 15th Amendment of the Constitution says you can't form any voting law or election law based on race. And when the city council debated this, they brought up all sorts of racial arguments. For example, Council Majority Leader Lori Combs said, quote, "We're all here to support our ethnic groups. We're all here to make sure that we all win." Councilman Antonio Reynoso said this sea of mostly white men that have stood up against this bill at this moment in an effort to preserve their power and influence. So they used very racist arguments to promote this law, and on that basis, it violates the federal 15th Amendment of the Constitution, and we're trying to knock it out from a federal standpoint as well.
As of now, those migrants outside the Roosevelt Hotel, lined up hundreds deep, could they vote in a local New York City election?
At the moment, if the state law, the state ban on it holds, they wouldn't. But if that gets knocked out in any manner, they could vote after 30 days. So you could come across the border, wait 30 days, and then vote for mayor, vote for city council, vote for New York public advocate, anything like this you like. You also could be somebody, I think there are about 117,000 or so Chinese citizens who live in this city, and they'd be able to vote in elections as well, local elections as well. And I think once this happens, if it does happen, of course the next argument is, well, maybe they should vote in state elections, vote for state senator and state rep. And then, well, why not congressman? Why not? And the left is, they're never happy. So they'll take that win and keep pushing and pushing until you have foreign citizens voting for President of the United States, which I'm sure that would thrill them.
Yeah. Have you filed the suit?
The suit's filed. It's before a judge in Brooklyn. We're waiting further action on it.
Oh, we want to know where that's going. One more thing from you. You don't like the language used to describe migrants. What's your problem?
Yeah, when it comes to this sort of thing, people often say non-citizens. Well, this pencil's a non-citizen. This piece of paper is a non-citizen. These aren't non-citizens. These are citizens of other countries. So these are citizens of China. These are citizens of Honduras. These are citizens of France, from wherever they come from. And foreign citizens should not be voting in American elections. The term non-citizen is sort of anodyne and inoffensive. When you say foreign citizens, people understand the full madness of these ideas of having foreign citizens voting in our elections, foreign citizens serving as police officers, etc. So foreign citizens, that's the term we should use.
Language police?
Well,
language police officer, Deroy Murdoch?
Language matters, and we always should remember that.
So you want us to say foreign citizens?
In this respect, foreign citizens.
Not non-citizens.
Yeah, everyone's a citizen of some country.
That's right.
In this case, they're not citizens of this country.
Until about 10 years ago, I was a foreign citizen.
And you're now an American citizen.
And now I'm an American citizen.
Glad you're here.
In this constitutional republic. Not a bad place to be. Deroy, you're all right.
Thank you
very much, sir.